Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in the Avishya handloom saree story series, we are going to be looking at Ajrakh printed silk cotton sarees. Ajrakh is a very exclusive, very special kind of hand block printing which evolved in the Sindh region of Pakistan and the bordering Kutch region of Gujarat. So it evolved in the border areas of Gujarat and the borders of Pakistan. So the Sindh region and the Kutch region are the places which gave birth to the Ajrakh art. Ajrakh printing by nature is hand block, but it's very special kinds of patterns and motifs, very geometric shapes, lot of circles intersecting, dots, squares, octagons, lot of geometric shapes interacting with each other, and a mixture of colors which are fabulous because all the dyes used in Ajrakh printing are all organic dyes. So you'll have beautiful indigo blues, madder reds, turmeric yellows, and alizarin and so on and so forth. So beautiful, very lovely, pure organic natural dyes are used, and mineral dyes as well. So the colors of Ajrakh are very nice, very muted, very earthy, and it's something which you don't get in any artificial dyes. So this is the beauty of Ajrakh printing, both the fact that it's natural and the fact that the patterns and the designs are very unique. So today we'll have a look at about a few sarees from the Ajrakh collection of Avishya. So I'll start off first with this beautiful indigo and madder red saree. I'll just open up the saree for you. Yes, beautiful. As you can see, the body is a lovely combination of floral and elliptical patterns. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 colors here, and as you know, in Ajrakh printing, multiple sets of blocks are used depending on the colors and the patterns, and each saree on an average goes through something like 12 to 15 sets of block printing, drying and washing. So it's a very painstaking, very laborious process. It really requires a lot of love and a lot of time to create these patterns and do this printing. This is a very special Ajrakh saree because of course it's a silk cotton saree, but if you can see the borders, it's got a beautiful, this is a very brocade antique saree finish, very Banarsi style, beautiful borders. So this is a very special saree. So let's go on to what the pallu looks like. I'll just flip this over for you. Yes, beautiful pallu. From the body, the pattern changes. It's got lovely geometric shapes. There are thick red stripes with the polka dots in indigo blue. Then there is a lovely diamond shaped pattern with floral motifs next. Third, there is a series of pyramidical shapes with stripes on them, and then finally you have another row of the same floral and diamond designs, ending with one more beautiful row of diamond shapes and floral shapes, and the spectacular finish is a lovely antique saree Banarsi style finish. So it's a lovely pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Beautiful. The blouse is also lovely brocade saree, and this is how it will look against the body and the pallu of the saree. It's a beautifully woven brocade design, fabulous design. So this is the entire saree, the body, the pallu and the blouse. It's a fabulous color combination of madder red, indigo blue and black, and it's fantastic and very exclusively designed Ajrakh silk cotton saree. Let's move on to the next saree. Now we'll have a quick look at the next saree. Wow, it's a beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful madder red silk cotton Ajrakh printed saree, and this saree is very special because as you can see, the pallu, as you can see, apart from the Ajrakh hand block prints, beautiful floral patterns and jali design, there's lovely, beautiful little small and large bits of mirror work. Beautiful mirror work. If you can come closer, you'll see, which embellishes the pallu. It's beautiful. Apart from that, it ends in a nice sash of black with delicate gold zari, and of course, beautiful blue tassels in the end. So very pretty pallu. Let's see what the body looks like. This is how the body of the saree looks. It's beautiful. Very classic Ajrakh print, and both of them together, this is how the pallu and the body will look together. So it's a lovely design, beautiful rich madder red and indigo blue combined together with patches of black in between. So it's a classic design with the bits of tissue zari on both the sides of the border and a little bit in the pallu as well. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a lovely floral pattern. This is how the blouse design looks like. It's really nice, really pretty design, goes beautifully and is coordinated very well with the rest of the saree. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, this is a lovely, nice, bright turmeric yellow Ajrakh printed saree. I'll just open it out. Let's see what it looks like. This is how the body of the saree looks. It's got lovely jhumka patterns, beautiful jhumka kind of pattern. The Ajrakh pattern is beautiful on the turmeric yellow, lovely indigo bluish green prints with paisleys also in the borders. Lovely paisley. There's a jangla design kind of a block in the borders. So it's really pretty. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Pallu looks like this. Nice, beautiful, lovely star star-shaped patterns. There's lovely jangla motifs, beautiful creepers. The creepers and the star-like floral motif alternate with each other with blue and indigo bluish print on the turmeric yellow. Lovely, lovely contrast. And the edges of the borders are in a lovely deep blackish brown is what I would say. And together, this is how the saree would look. I'll just open it out so that you can get a sense of how the body and the pallu will look together. This is how it would look. It's very, very nice. Very bright sunset yellow and turmeric yellow combination. And the blouse is beautiful, follows the honeycomb star pattern which is there in the pallu. The same pattern is followed here. So this is how the blouse works. And together, the body, the pallu and the blouse looks like this. It's a beautiful, lovely turmeric yellow or sunset yellow. Beautiful saree. Next, let's move on to the gorgeous bottle green Ajrakh printed saree. Wow, what a pallu. It's stunning. Beautiful, lovely star and floral motifs, large motifs, the diamond motifs also. Beautiful mirror work as well, which is highlighting the designs right in the center of the star. Beautiful. Overall, it's laid out very beautifully. And of course, a little bit of tissue zari as well in the pallu and both sides of the border. And let's see how the body looks like. Wow, gorgeous. It's stunning. It's a beautiful rectangular step-up design and the color combination is stunning. The olive green contrasting with the indigo blue step-ups with beautiful self-design in the indigo step-up motif. And you can imagine how this would look when worn. The pallu and the body together make a fantastic combination. Nice, gorgeous, beautiful blouse which follows some part of the pattern of the pallu is followed in the blouse as well. And this is how the blouse would look along with the saree. Fabulously coordinated design and pattern. Last but not the least, let's go to this beautiful deep indigo blue Ajrakh printed saree. I'll open this out quickly for you. Yes, this is the pallu. Wow, gorgeous pallu. Lovely deep indigo contrasted with madder red, and the blacks and the red and the indigo blue combine very nicely together. There's a combination of circular, square, diamond patterns and lovely arches, very Mughal arches on the edges of the pallu. And of course, lovely line golden zari on the pallu. And both sides, the border has fabulous chevron motifs in antique saree on both sides with the black edging. It's really, really nice. And overall, the combination of colors and the design makes this look very, very classy. Let's see how this works along with the rest of the saree, the body itself. I'll open it out for you. You can have a proper look. Yes, this is how the body of the saree looks. Beautiful. Lovely geometric patterns, a combination of squares, smaller rectangle. There is a plus shaped design. There are floral motifs working in between, arrow pointing in alternate colors, in reds, in whites, in indigos, in blacks. Beautiful. This seems to be a lovely, beautiful mix of beautiful cocktail of geometric shapes. Very, very typical, very Ajrakh, very, very nice. It's stunning. And this, of course, works very nicely along with the pallu itself. It's very, very nice. Beautiful. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, the blouse takes some of the elements of the geometric motifs, the circular motifs, and some of the star-shaped and floral motifs and works very nicely. This is the blouse pattern. So it works very, very nicely together with the rest of the saree. And overall, the impact of the combination of designs of the body, the pallu and the blouse makes it a very, very elegant and stately Ajrakh printed silk cotton saree. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing this collection of sarees. And if you like these sarees, please come out to our store. Our store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of Ajrakh printed silk cotton sarees to you. We have Ajrakh printed sarees and other material as well, which we'll show you in another video. But this is our Ajrakh silk cotton collection. So we have a fabulous range of colors, beautiful sets of motifs, all of which really showcase the beauty and splendor of Ajrakh hand block print. Ajrakh hand block printing, as you know, is a very, very rare and very exclusive art which prevails only in one part of the country, which is Gujarat state, the Kutch region, which is the border, and the Sindh region, the Pakistan border. That's where it's made. These artisans are very, very special people who've been doing this for several generations. So please come over to the store and you can touch, feel, drape these sarees and pick up one of your choice. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Ajrakh printed silk cotton sarees are available online. You can go online, look at all the colors. Our online staff are there, customer service staff are there online to help you to browse through the website, pick up what you like, ask your questions, your doubt, and I'm sure they'll be happy to answer you. And once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications whenever we upload new videos, whenever we get a new collection and upload it online or it comes to the store. We actually put out a video to inform our customers. So please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.